In this episode of Debunking Daily Myths, researchers investigate whether cracking knuckles truly causes arthritis and pain. They review medical literature, interview rheumatologists, and design a controlled study to measure joint changes over time. The team conducts a long-term observational test with volunteers, documenting frequency, discomfort, and any signs of joint degeneration. Preliminary findings suggest no direct link to arthritis, while excessive force may irritate soft tissues, underscoring the value of critical thinking. Ultimately, the video shows how hypotheses are tested, encouraging viewers to seek evidence, question assumptions, and rely on science.